In this video, I'm going to discuss the popular misconception that eating after 9 p.m. will make you fat, and talk about how the time in which you eat can affect your body. Hey guys, Coach Nick here. So to start things off, let's talk about a common myth that you may have heard from your friends or online. The myth: eating after 9 p.m. will make you fat. The fact: calories will act in the same way no matter what time you consume them. So does it matter what time you eat? When it comes to your weight specifically, the time in which you eat food will not change whether you gain or lose weight. Of course, if you are already at or above your maintenance calories and you decide to eat something after 9 p.m., you will gain weight. But if you are below your maintenance calories and you decide to eat something after 9 p.m. and you are still below or at your maintenance calories, you will not gain weight. Calories at 9 p.m. affect you the same as calories at 9 a.m. And when it comes to gaining or losing weight, the total number of calories you consume during the entire day will determine your outcome. If I could only teach you one thing, it would be this: calories in versus calories out. It is the most fundamental part of health and fitness, and if you are trying to improve, maintain, or reshape your body in any way, then you really need to understand this. However, I will mention that there are studies that show that people who eat late at night tend to make worse food choices and eat higher calorie foods that end up making them gain weight. So with that in mind, try being more conscious about what you're eating throughout the day. And if you notice that you're binge eating on snacks or junk food late at night, consider taking that snack out or replacing it with a lower calorie option. I often get a lot of questions surrounding this topic, with the top two being, does what time I eat affect my muscle gain? And what should I eat before and after a workout? The studies show that spacing out protein consumption can actually lead to higher muscle gain. This would mean that a diet like intermittent fasting, where a person consumes all of their food within a short time span, would be less effective for muscle gain rather than a diet that allows a person to space out their meals to about 5 to 6 meals per day. However, the difference in muscle gain between the diets was minimal. Therefore, the conclusion was that protein intake throughout the entire day was much more important than what time protein was consumed. Take Terry Crews as an example. Given he is most likely on performance-enhancing drugs, he does follow the intermittent fasting diet, and he is still clearly jacked. Now, as for what you should eat before and after a workout, the timing actually matters a considerable amount. In order to maximize the energy your body has available during your workout, you should eat a meal high in protein with higher carbohydrates and lower fats the closer it is to a workout, and higher fats and lower carbohydrates the further away it is from your workout. This is because carbs are a quicker source of energy, and fats take a longer time to metabolize to become an energy source. The post-workout meal should also contain protein and contain higher carbohydrates so that you can repair your muscles and replenish your energy stores. What time you eat after a workout mostly depends on when you ate before your workout. The closer you ate to exercising, the longer you can wait to have your post-workout meal due to the amount of protein that is in your body still being used for protein synthesis. But again, protein timing is just a drop in the bucket compared to total daily protein intake. So my take on all of this is that you should follow a diet that is doable and enjoyable specifically for you. Not worry so much about when you're eating unless you're trying to plan the fuel and recovery for your exercises. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more health and fitness videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. See you next time.